Sorry, forgot to turn the mic on. I'm starting with the red conditioning disc here. I just tore my gloves, so change that later. Alright, so all the damage is out with the grinder. I'm going to switch to the sander with 320 disc. Well, I'm changing this over. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, we'll get this finished up. We'll take the scuff pad to it, go over everywhere I just sanded. Wipe the dust off. And for the paint, this is going to be magnetic gray. That is linked in the description below. It goes on a little darker, but once it dries, it's a perfect match, basically. All right, then we're going to cover this with clear coat. And then we're going to use the blender to blend the new clear with the old. That's all there is to it.